Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be extending two downspouts out. One over here, we're going to take out to the left, come all the way down to a pop-up right before the curb, as we normally do. This one in the back here, we're going to be extending out and taking it all the way back to where they already have the water drain, but we're going to be taking it next to it, so that way we're not actually dumping directly into it. This way the water will be able to pop up, facilitate, and make its way to the drain. So we'll put the pop-up right around here, and the drain is right there. And here is the back left. We have it dug. I just finished piping it out. I put the Y on the inside so that way there's no trip factor. He can still unscrew it because he said he's going to be adding a pool back here, so that way if he needs to drain the pool liner or anything like that at all, he'll be able to stick a hose straight in here and it will go all the way down, all the way to the water grate here at the end. As you can see, we have perfectly downhill, so there will be no resistance at all. The water will come all the way down here at the end, facilitate out of the pop-up, and roll over into the grate. And now the front left is complete. As you can see, the pop-up emitter, it's a couple inches before the actual curb, so that way the water can drain up and off and facilitate into the ground before the water actually spills over into the street. And as you can see down here, we have it going. It is completely downhill. Nice cleanup going right here. And back there, he's trying to make it look like we were never here, but by putting all the grass back. Next video, you'll see the final and see it all working. And here's the back left of the house. As you can see, the water is on, comes all the way down, rushes out, and it will slowly make its way all the way over here to this grate and go away. And when it's not going, there's a hole in the bottom of the 90 and it just drains back into the earth. And this is the front left side. As you can see, the water is facilitating out very good. And this is just from a garden hose. We didn't backfill and make the yard really pretty because he's going to be ripping all that out and putting pavers and stone in. So he said, don't worry about that. So another great job completed by Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solution LLC.